Gold IRAs versus gold leases. Pros and cons. Picking the best choice depends heavily on personal financial goals and risk tolerance. To read about all the advantages and disadvantages of both options, see the link in the video description to read the full article. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold in your retirement portfolio in a tax-deferred way, serving as a hedge against inflation. However, gold IRAs don't provide dividends or earnings. On the flip side, gold leases let you rent out physical gold assets, earning interest. This could offer high returns and regular income, but market risks due to price fluctuations exist. Diving into the world of gold leasing, it's vital to understand that this financial tool involves renting out gold to jewelers and other such businesses for their working capital. This practice is not new. It's been used historically by affluent individuals for wealth creation, but the landscape has evolved, making it more inclusive for retail investors. Gold leasing operates on a simple mechanism. You lease out a certain amount of gold, say 100 grams, and receive monthly interest based on the leased gold. For instance, a 1-year lease could yield an additional 5 grams of gold. If you're looking at a long-term investment of 8 years, that's a whopping 40 grams of extra gold. However, as with any financial tool, it's important to understand the risks involved. While gold leasing is generally considered a safe investment, market volatility can affect gold prices, which can impact your returns. Hence, it's vital to choose reputable leasing providers. Additionally, understanding the regulatory framework in place to protect investors is paramount. It's a unique and innovative way to invest in gold, and here are some of the key advantages. High returns. Gold leasing can offer high returns, often surpassing that of mutual funds. Monthly income. The interest you earn from gold leasing is credited to your account monthly, giving you a regular income. This steady stream of revenue can be a great addition to your other income sources. Hedge against inflation. Gold is known for its ability to hold its value, making it a good hedge against inflation. With gold leasing, you're investing in a stable asset that can help protect your wealth in times of economic instability. Accessibility and liquidity. Gold leasing is very accessible. You can start with a small investment and grow from there. Plus, if you need to withdraw your investment, you can do so at any time without incurring penalties. One of the leading companies in the field of gold leases is Monetary Metals. Monetary Metals gold leases are innovative gold investment products that let you earn a real yield by leasing your gold to businesses. This strategy offers a consistent income and risk mitigation without selling your precious metals. Starting at 10 ounces of gold, you can participate in their various leases and earn income paid in ounces. To learn more about how Monetary Metals gold leases work, see the link in the video description to get started. When it comes to gold leasing, it is essential to get a handle on the taxation and regulatory implications. This might seem complex, but let's break it down. Long-term capital gains tax. Gold leasing is subject to a long-term capital gains tax of 20% if the gold is held for over 3 years. This is applied to the gain made on the lease. However, there are indexation benefits which can help offset inflation during this period. Tax deducted at source. The additional returns you earn from the lease, around 5% typically, are post-tax. The leasing company deducts tax at source before crediting your account. Verify that the leasing company is registered with the relevant authorities for a secure investment. It's vital to stay informed about market conditions and consider this when deciding to lease gold. Understanding these taxation and regulatory considerations is key to making an informed decision about gold leasing. Just wanted to take a brief pause to thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video content helpful. It really does make a difference. Now back to the video. Gold IRAs explained. So you're contemplating investing in a gold IRA? Let's explore what that entails. A gold individual retirement account is a type of IRA that allows you to hold gold and other precious metals in your retirement portfolio. Unlike traditional IRAs where you can only invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, a gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows the ownership of physical gold. Setting up a gold IRA involves a different process. Generally, you'd need a specialty custodian or firm, not the usual brokers you're accustomed to. These custodians handle all the necessary paperwork and tax reporting. The physical gold you own must be stored at an IRS-approved depository or by an approved third party. It can't just be kept under your mattress. There are different types of gold IRAs. namely the traditional and Roth Gold IRAs. The former is funded with pre-tax dollars and taxes are paid upon withdrawal, while the latter is funded with after-tax money and distributions are tax-free. Gold IRAs give you the chance to diversify your retirement account and offer a hedge against inflation. Let's now address Gold IRA tax rules. One of the main benefits of a Gold IRA is tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes on your investment until you make a withdrawal during retirement. However, not following the Gold IRA withdrawal rules can lead to possible penalties and taxes if you withdraw before age 59 and 1/2 years. Additionally, the IRS requires that a qualified trustee or IRA custodian manage the Gold IRA. It's also worth noting that the cost of owning physical gold in a Gold IRA includes storage and insurance fees. However, certain Gold IRA companies will offer a waiver or discount of these fees, depending on the contract or certain promotional offers. We have ranked and reviewed the best Gold IRA companies with a high industry reputation. Links to the company's official sites are listed in the video description. Finding the right Gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a Gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high net worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments provides Gold IRA as well as private investment options for home storage. Decide based on your individual needs. I have provided links to these trusted Gold IRA companies in the video description. In the end, it's your financial goals that should guide your choice between Gold IRAs and Gold Leases. Both offer unique advantages, a hedge against inflation, and a diversified portfolio with Gold IRAs, or the potential for added income with Gold Leases. Remember to factor in tax and regulation implications. Invest wisely because, after all, it's your golden future we're talking about. Happy investing, and thank you for watching.